Hello there, family, friends, and viewers from across the world. Joby Jones, still on the road. But first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that passed, all the ones that are taking the CDL license, all the ones that are driving by themselves, home daily, regional, dedicated, over the road, owner operators. It's a blessing. Yes, it is. I know it is a blessing. First and foremost, let me say I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be your mentor. There's a lot of people that, you know, they follow me, Instagram, a little bit of TikTok, you know, a little bit of everything. You know, I don't really post a lot, but when I do, I do. Especially on YouTube, you know, you'll find me more on YouTube. And well, today I'm gonna do a quick backing maneuver. As you can see, I pull nothing but intermodal containers. That's what I do, intermodal. Right now I'm looking for a spot to put this trailer in. I'm gonna do a backing maneuver. That's what we're gonna do. And right now, I'm looking for a spot. Elbow rest out of the way. See him coming out? You see him? Yep. I'm going right in there. Alright? The mirrors, I don't see nobody coming through. Clear? Clear. So then get close, get close, get close. Get close, get close, get close, get close. And I'm going right in there. So boom, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, a front bumper. So time, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I don't need to do this with 2 hands. I can do it with 1 hand. You see that? That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. You want to be able to line up your tandems. You hand the line. You see this yellow line? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring them tandems and line them up right in here. That's what I'm doing. You see? Tandems. You see the tandems? That's how you want to be. Okay? So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a gap and then close the gap. All right? Do it. Open the gap. Now close it. Close. See it? Close it. Now, open that middle. Close it. Open it. Yeah. Hold it. Push forward a little, just to open it. Okay. Now open the gap. Hold it. Open it. Oh, set. There you go. See it in the mirror? See? It's not that hard, man. Again, I do it with 1 hand because you can't back in with 2 hands. I cannot do that. I cannot back in with 2 hands. That's a no-no. It says can't do that. You'll do it with 1 hand. All right, people? So what I want you to do is practice. Practice. Again, I use my tandems. I don't use the trailer to line it up in the spot. All right, my peoples? And don't overturn. Like if you're gonna turn, don't just leave it there. You know, try to open. Try to like close the gap, open the gap, close it, open the gap. And again, let me show you what is a gap. This is a gap. Okay? That's a gap. So again, when you close the gap, your trailer moves towards the container or trailer next to you. when you open the gaps, you're moving away. So close the gap, righty, open the gap, lefty. All right, my peoples, thanks for watching. Love y'all, God bless y'all. I'll catch you in my next video. Later, peoples.